Yo, we're live, man. What's up? What's up? You there, Trippy? Oh, I forgot to send this out to some of the Twitter people. Let me send this out. Trippy, you there? Did you leave? My man left. What's up, everyone? Welcome to today's live stream. Today's episode, we got Trippy with us joining me for a live stream. We're just talking stocks, talking CPI, and then he's got some info and stuff he wants to share, so we're gonna do that too. But let me plug this up really quick. If you guys have any tickers you guys want me to look at,
Alright, bro. Just let me know when.
man, we're ready. We're already out. We're
Are
live.
we live right now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hello,
sir.
everybody.
Hey, tell him what you got to say. Breaking news. Tell him some breaking news while I fill out this thing. I thought you had breaking news.
Yes, breaking news, everybody. Confirmation by Ukraine that Russian troops in Kherson, Ukraine, are discussing surrender. This was a breaking news from 2 hours ago, and a 4 hour ago breaking news, Ukraine says that the Russian military has suspended new unit arrivals in Ukraine. Let's go, guys. The market is bullish.
Is that bullish or are you bullish?
The market is bullish.
All right, I'm back. I'm back. I had to check, make sure that the audio was working on the web. So, what do we have going for tomorrow, guys? Well, good question. Should I tell him what we have going on tomorrow, Trippy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where we're getting ahead of ourselves. We have CPI data tomorrow. Trippy, did you know we had CPI tomorrow? Are you gonna act surprised, or did you know
Oh
about it?
shit, CPI?
Yeah. So tomorrow we got the big anticipated event, CPI, which is the anticipated, and really the one that people are gonna look at, I think, is core, which is gonna exclude energy and food. This will probably be the big one. I think in general the regular CPI, just the normal. Oh shit, the Discord bot dipped. Anyway, this one's gonna exclude energy and food. So this one's gonna matter more as to actually tell us how inflation's actually going. The expected stuff previously was 59. This forecast is gonna be 6.1%. And then we have the CPI month over month. This is gonna be another big one, I think. And that is gonna be tomorrow, September 13th. Plus, we should do a moment of silence, don't you think, Rippy? Are you still there? For the 9/11 and then the people here facing this earthquake in Guana? Or did you leave? This man left midstream. You crazy.
Oh, my apologies. I was muted. Yeah, let's take a 1 minute silence for the victims of 9/11. Um, please.
All right, thank you. And yeah, just it was a tragic day, but we gotta carry on and live for them, right? Is that right, Trippy? And then now we also
Yes.
have earthquakes. So what's going on there, Trippy?
Guys, breaking news. This was a couple days ago. Um, there was a really massive earthquake in New Guinea. I believe New Guinea is a country in Africa, and the size of the earthquake was magnitude 7.7. This was a really crazy earthquake because the whole country was broken into pieces, literally. Like the earth was splitting and everything. So just keep your thoughts out for the people there. If you could donate, uh, I'll be sure to post a charity in the Discord if you'd like to donate and help the people of New Guinea out. Yeah.
Well, I certainly did not know about that fundraiser, but yeah, if you do have it, we can put it in the chat or something.
For sure. I got you.
Let's take a.
Yo.
Yeah, let's take a moment of silence for these people.
All right. Let's do it.
All right, thank you guys. Yeah, I'm just playing this video.
Yeah. It's a 2-minute video. Yep.
Yeah, so do you know what's going on in this video here? This is the earthquake, right?
This is the 7.7 powerful earthquake in New Guinea. As you can see, it is splitting the earth up. Scary sight, won't you say?
Yes. So let's take a moment of. Did we take a moment of silence for these people? And hopefully, I think you say you're gonna put.
You want to take a moment of silence? I thought we did already.
Yeah, I just wanted to do another one.
All right.
Well, let's move forward, shall we? Let's talk about the stock market. Unfortunately, life has to keep going. So, like I said, just wanted to go back talk about the CPI data coming in the morning, and we got it coming out before market opens. So right now we are 1850. It's gonna be out in the morning by 8:30. That is gonna be 8:30 Central. No, Pacific. No, Eastern. Yeah. So forecast previous. So this is the forecast for CPI. It is going to increase. Core CPI is going to increase 5.9% up to 6.1. Then we have the regular CPI, including everything energy and food. That's going to be 8.1 versus 8.5. So that's supposed to come down. And I think that's a lot of the reason that a lot of people are being bullish right now. So shall we talk about the SPY, Trippy?
Yes, pull it up, guys. If you've been paying attention to the live streams that I've been on with GGG Investor, I always have talked about if the SPY remains over 400, what do I say, GGG Investor?
We're
Then we
bullish.
are bullish.
Yeah.
And just a couple days ago, SPY was under 400, but it did not last long.
Yeah.
Um, it was like a couple days, I believe, right?
Yeah,
And
just
we
a
just
couple.
went back to 400, and we did crazy rallies today, didn't we, for the SPY? Let's pull it up. Let's
Fourth
do the
day.
TA.
Yeah, yeah. Am I sharing my screen? Are you following on my screen? I do have it pulled up.
Yeah.
So this is our fourth consecutive green day, and one thing that I've been using a lot more is this volume profile, and it's showing you guys basically buy and sell walls. And really, we're actually, I mean, I know Trippy says we're bullish, but we are, we kind of did a lot of sideways price action today. Really choppy day, right? And that's because we have a huge sell wall here. And you can see it better on the 1 hour, I would say. So we have a really strong resistance here around 412, 413. That is what we need to break out above in order to continue bullishness. And like Trippy said, we were under 400 for a while, but right here we had another. This was like a good buy wall or a support. What's the right word to say this, Trippy? People came down here. It came down here, and people started buying this up. Maybe shorts started covering, so we started moving back up to this next. So really kind of bouncing between these two levels. I think tomorrow we're going to break out based off CPI, or we could break down. So between these two, we could be doing some choppiness around here. Just because we have Jerome Powell at the end of September as well. And then one thing I noticed here today, and I pointed this out to Trippy, is this could be an expanding triangle where we could possibly see the highs of like 430, I would say, possibly even 445. Now I know that's crazy, but we have midterms and we have quotation CPI coming down. So even though everyone's technically bearish in the market, oh, I didn't mean to delete that. The market's gonna do what it wants to do, right? Am I right, Trippy?
Yep.
So make sure you cover your puts. I'm still in puts. I'm gonna try to close those out tomorrow. If we continue rallying tomorrow, it's pretty much GG for me, right? It's gonna keep going, I think, back to 430. So tomorrow I think is a big day. But then in a week or two we're gonna have Powell speaking, right? So that's also another thing to consider. But we will have like a week or two, pretty chill week, I would say. This is a CPI week, and then towards Thursday, obviously we'll have the jobless claims. That kind of is more data as well. But the big thing everybody's talking about is CPI for tomorrow. And then little miscellaneous things about European or anything Putin related, anything like that can definitely affect it. But right now, if we can get above 413, then we can go ahead and blast off to 420, I think. No pun intended. Is my man drawing on the board? I see you, Trippy. I see you.
Yeah, I'm going to illustrate what I believe will happen with the SPY.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready to share, and I'll plug it up.
Yeah, for sure.
You ready to share, or should I wait a little bit?
Just give me like a minute or two.
Sure. Okay. In the meantime, let's talk about a couple stocks, shall we? I don't have anything quite ready. Let me do sticky notes real quick. See if we can pull those up. If you guys have any ticker requests, let me know in the comments. But I think the best way to look for some possible plays is going to be on the options flow activity. So let's go ahead and go to the option sweeper. It's the 32G here, 32 sweeper. Now I haven't been playing too many options. I've been kind of chilling today. But we got some meta puts coming in early in the day. Let's see how meta performs. So that one might be an interesting play. Really, we're just chilling today. So, if you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. And we'll actually add those to the chart. So this surprisingly hasn't broken out of our downtrend resistance. So if I zoom out to like a 4 hour, let's take a look. We are still in a downtrend. So I mean, surprisingly, the market was up huge, but Meta hasn't done its Meta thing, right? So it's basically broke or closed down just a little bit. And this is the downtrend I'm talking about for Meta. It does look like it's getting ready to do a breakout, a massive breakout, just because it's been consolidating. So the moves were a lot bigger previously. You can see pretty huge moves, but they're getting more tighter, if you would say, consolidating. So Meta might be an interesting play later in this week. So just depending on how CPI is, taken, this could provide a huge move to the upside, or a huge move to the downside. And honestly, I think it's lagging a lot of the activity from other stocks. Like, for example, who was moving? Let's see, social medias. Asana was up like 7%, I think, today. Yeah, oh fuck, 16%. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. What's another platform? Snapchat. Let's see how Snapchat performed. Pretty much break even today. So what's going on? Amazon. Let's look at some of the big tech. Big tech, big tech. So see, Meta is lagging. Meta was down for the day. Amazon's up 3%. Let's see how Google performed today. Google performed barely even, broke even. Apple, big outperformer, I believe. Let me take a look at that. Yeah, almost 4% for the day. So big tech, for the most part, 2 out of 4 were up big, and the other two, Google and Meta, were basically break even red. So Meta, I think I like the setup here the best, just because we got that downtrend resistance. If it gets rejected, it's got a lot of buying pressure here, so people don't technically want to sell this or want to let it fall underneath about 155, 160, and yeah, let's just say 160, 163. So this, I think, could break to the upside, just depending how we take that data. And just kind of waiting on my boy Trippy. He's busy at work right now, drawing, illustrating a good visual of what the SPY is gonna do. Is that right?
Yes.
Sweet, sweet. So definitely look out for that. But yeah, this is a huge support. I mean, stocks don't normally do quadruple bottoms, I don't think, but this is pretty insane. It's already bounced like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 times. So I honestly want to say this breaks to the upside. This will probably be my #1 play. Let's go ahead and slap that one back into the watch list here. If you guys have tickers you guys want me to cover, put them in the chat, and we'll take a look at them as subscriber picks. Let's look at my picks. Meta is my first one. Another one that could be interesting is going to be Netflix. So I'm not sure if I pulled that one just yet. Netflix is very interesting because it just broke out. Huge support levels up here, right here around 125 or 225, I'm sorry. It just broke out. We could see a small pullback back to about, 230, but I think the chart's looking really good. Let's zoom out to the 1 hour. Let me just reset the chart. So I like this volume profile stuff, but it does get in the way. So always got to have that backup and just take it off like that. I like simple charts. But we've been tracking this one for a while. We had this downtrend resistance in previous videos and this nice support level. Once we broke out, now it started basically running. I think this one will continue going. Even maybe to 245, I think is my target. 245 will probably be my target for this. Just depending, yeah, everything's looking good on this, honestly. And this one, you're done? Okay, sweet. Yeah, as long as we hold like 233, 230, I think this can continue to go. You want me to share that video real quick? Let me see that. I'm plugging in the Trippy.
Check it out.
Let me hide these guys. Alright, so you want to explain to us what's going on?
Yeah, so on this section, this is what I believe tomorrow would be like. So I believe before pre-market we might take a little drop, then we might rise up towards the end of the day, and then this is how Wednesday would look like. Pretty much a little consolidation period, 415 to as high as 419. Then Thursday I believe we might take a little drop, so be on the lookout for that, guys. And then I believe Friday will be a green day, 420 by Friday. Oh yeah, and watch out for the fake drop Thursday for sure.
Fake drop, where's that at?
Thank you for your time.
Wait, go back. This is, hold up. Wait, I'm sorry, did you leave?
No, I'm right here.
Oh, sorry, I muted myself on this Google Meets thing that we're trying out. I was gonna say, go back to that fake drop. What day is that? That's on Wednesday? Or did you close that out?
Thursday. No, I got it. Hold up.
Pull it up for us. So people can make sure that was super quick presentation. You about your business, I'm guessing.
You know me.
I feel you. There we go. There we go. So it close this out. How do we? Okay, 420 by Friday. That's impressive. So right now we're Tuesday, right? Is today Tuesday? No, tomorrow's Tuesday. So we come down tomorrow on CPI. You think?
Yes.
And then we run up, going into Wednesday. Why we go into Wednesday going up?
No, well, we go down and then we quickly pick up tomorrow,
Oh, so all
and
this is
then it
happening.
finishes off Wednesday.
Hmm. Okay, okay. So this is just anticipation. So if you got puts today, close them out before like first hour, would you think? And then get calls?
Yeah, try to close them out before lunch hour.
Mm-hmm. And then the after lunch algo's gonna pick it up and just run it to 415.
Correct.
Maybe 420 by Friday.
Yep.
Okay, okay. There is gonna be a fake drop, is what it looks like. What you're saying, fake drop. Don't get
Fake drop
paper
Thursday.
hands. No paper hands on that. Interesting. Good stuff, Saul. Good stuff.
Thanks.
Let's do you have any stocks you want to cover?
Let me see.
I got Netflix pulled up. Are you bullish or bearish on Netflix? I just like it because it's one of those stocks that has been beat up so much. You know?
Did Nasdaq do a split?
Stack. What you mean?
I thought Nasdaq was like $100.
Yeah, if they did a split, then they don't go up. They come down. Talking about the Nasdaq 100?
NDAQ.
The the Nasdaq 100. It's not $100.
Oh, I see 64 on Robinhood.
Bro, it's not $100. You're probably talking about something else. I like to follow the QQQ if that's what you're talking about.
Anyway, let's look at UNG, shall we?
Ooh, very good pick. Very good pick.
Yes, sir.
This is natural gas. How you feeling about natural gas? This is actually very nice.
Bullish.
Right at the, yeah, bullish. Right at the support. We had this charted up when last week.
Yeah.
Look, right at the support, $27. I think we talked about this, right? This is very nice. Let's go to a bigger picture. Oh yeah, for future, wow. You think this goes back up to 30? I think it does, honestly. Up 4% to $29, brother.
Silver is up for the day as well, guys.
Yeah. So this looks like a head and shoulders. We talked about this at the bottom at 27. We said this has got a shoulder, we got a head, and we'd probably get another shoulder. And then maybe comes back down and then it breaks back out. This is gonna be a fake pump, I think. You see how this is a head and shoulders? And as people are gonna get bearish on natural gas, but it's gonna break to the upside. That's my prediction on natural gas. How you feeling?
It's gonna squeeze the shorts.
It is. So bullish on natural gas. I don't think we need to cover natural gas. Let's see if we got any options on natural gas, shall we?
Sure.
Natural gas, UNG. Is there any other natural gas stocks you like?
Let's see if I have them in my watch list.
Which platform do you use? Are you on Robinhood, Webull?
I am on Robinhood, just looking at my watch list. There is DCP. Do you know DCP?
DCP?
And OVV.
DCP. I know OVV. Is that the one that Michael Berry had?
Yeah.
That's a good one. And this one seems to be consolidating. I didn't know about this one. This is a energy, oil and gas pipeline.
Yeah, come on now. You know I got the good shit.
Is that good shit?
Look at the 1 week chart on OVV.
This one's near the highs though, my guy.
Yep.
Isn't it? Let's see. You don't want to buy it near the highs. I think I like UNG the best, honestly. Let me move this bad boy down.
Let's do that.
Let's do what? The OBV? Hey, somebody just hit the like button for it. Let's go. Shout out whoever hit the like button. Thank you. We got 2 likes in the video now.
Francine. Francine just said in the chat that she's looking at Mulligan October 14 calls.
Ask her if she's in the live stream, because we're live streaming. We can pull up the Mulligan calls on here for her. You mind telling her? Because I'm busy presenting right now. Let's go, Mulligan. You said the 1 week on you. Oh, Jonah, what's up? What's up, my man? Hey, if you have any tickers you want to cover, let me know. I think you like Polestar. Great day on Polestar. We can definitely cover that if you want me to. Let me know. Today we're just looking at any stocks. Anybody's welcome to put any tickers in the chat. We're just hanging out and just talking stocks. Am I right, Trippy?
Yes.
And this is actually looking very good now that you mention it. So the first thing I notice is a cup and handle, possibly. Right? Cup and handle. What do you think? Are you seeing the chart? You see the vision here? Nice little cup and handle. It's brewing. This is an energy stock, right, Trippy?
Yes.
So get ready for the energy. So we just need to break this right here. This is the cup and handle. This is the handle. So if we can break about if we can get back in the 60s, there's like very little resistance up to this level here. Like 80. That's a $20 move. That's a 30% move. So that would be crazy. And this is one that Mr. Barry still. I'm not sure if he's still in. Is he? Well, actually, he might be out of this one, but still. This one's been, this is on the weekly. So this is 2020. This is 2018 levels. But just insane growth for 2022. It went from $30 to $50, almost $60. Let's see. Production, development of oil and gas, natural liquids. Jonas says that's cool. I need good news for Polestar. I told myself I wouldn't open my account until it is back above 8. Oh yeah, that's very good news. We'll take a look at Pulsar since you're asking about that one. Let's take a look. I think we're up like 7.
I'll be grabbing the Polestar.
Hey.
Give me 1 sec.
Yes, please, Trippy. Grab the Pulsar. Find us some good news from my man Jonah. Yeah, so on the last live stream, I'm not sure who was in our last live stream. I didn't get many comments on that one, but we basically covered it pretty well. We had the downtrend resistance. We broke out of it. We had 2 of them actually. This is the big one, like coming down this way, right? We just broke out of that one, so that's very bullish. And then we had that mini downtrend resistance, which was the one that I was talking about. We had a higher low, right? So we had the bottom, it started rounding up around, and then we came back. So started rounding around, broke back out, came back, and we actually held that level. So that was major for Polestar. And then we talked about the inverse head and shoulders, and that basically is coming to fruition too. And I said 760 was going to be the level to watch, and so we actually came to the top of that. Right now, we are towards the major resistance, which I mentioned. But if we can break out of that, we could come out, break out of 760, come back, make this a nice support for us. It should be a pretty good support. We've got some nice consolidation right here. Then we could possibly go all the way to $9, I would think. So that's basically what I'm seeing with Polestar. It's looking good. We're holding the uptrend, or trend here that we actually added a few days ago. So, man, good stuff. And we're actually on time this time. Last time we talked about the inverse head and shoulders up here, and it failed to hold that level, and so we got that sell-off. So that's actually another point. So If we can't get above this, then we'll probably, you know, retest the support here. And if we break, then we'll probably come under 7 again. But I think the markets are looking pretty good right now. So yeah, we're bullish. Trippy's looking for some DD for us. I don't think there was any news on Polestar, but because I looked earlier, but I think volume was good on this one today. Let me double check. I think like 3 million or something. 2.5. So still pretty low, but I don't know if you guys noticed, but a long time ago we had this huge spike in volume, like very abnormal spike. Like that's what really like triggered me to say, okay, this has to be the bottom right here. So interesting stuff there. So volume is always very important to watch, especially for stocks that don't get much volume. When you see those big spikes in volume, then yeah, definitely take a look. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's next on the list? Netflix? I think we're bullish on Netflix. We're bullish on Netflix right now. What's it at? 236? Yeah, I'm thinking 240, 245 if markets hold up. So I'm going to do the quick sticky thing right here. Subscriber picks. We'll just put this one on Jonas. So Jonah asked for Polestar. We covered that. Semis, Lucid, Uber,
Polestar
Nike.
DD coming in 1 minute.
Thank you, sir. We also covered UNG. So UNG is going to be very nice. And Trippy is cooking up the Polestar DD right now. Should be out the oven any second now. While you guys wait, let's recap natural gas. This is another one that I'm bullish on. And we talked about it near the bottom, actually. So from a bigger picture, let's go to the daily. It looks like we have a head and shoulders pattern, right? So it's technically a bearish pattern.
It
We got the
is
shoulder.
now in the trippy shit.
Thank you, sir. We'll get that pulled up in just a second. This is what I was looking for. So just based off of head and shoulders, I would expect we get one more rally. And so here was a perfect opportunity to get more, you know, a position for it. I think we retouch maybe $30. We're actually already 29. That's crazy. I had a big move today. In just the last couple days actually. But I think it might get rejection there just based off like, you know, manipulation, where it gets manipulated. And then it'll come back down, right? It'll come down. And people are going to basically anticipate a breakdown because of the head and shoulders. But I think it's actually going to break to the upside. That's what I'm thinking. Because of winter and everything that's coming up. So that's just a quick breakdown on natural gas. Natural gas is going to be expensive in the winter and stuff. So yeah. Let me go ahead and pull up the DD that Trippy's got for us. Whoa, this is huge. Is this the right one? Oh my goodness. This is old DD, brother, but I have not covered this one. Volvo and Polestar parent company launches satellites for self-driving cars, sound and vision. Where are you finding this DD, brother?
Oh shit, this is old, my bad.
You're good. I haven't covered this on my channel, so hey, hit the like button for Trippy. He came through. Geely has launched the first 9 GSAT-1 satellites. Let me zoom in for you guys. Among other things, these satellites do position determination and should be able to help cars with self-driving functionalities. So the full what's it called? FSD, full self-driving, or yeah, yes sir, yes sir. Cars can also communicate with other cars or infrastructures via the satellites. The 9 satellites of Geely, part of Space, are the first step of the network. By 2025, the first phase should be ready with 72 satellites. Now, I'm not too big on the aerospace. I don't know too much. So is 72 satellites a lot, Trippy, you think? Or is that just the beginning of it?
Not sure. What do you think, chat?
They say second phase contains 168 and then 240 for the, I guess, completed final form. The company calls the entire network the Geely Future Mobility Constellation. Pretty cool, pretty cool. The satellites enter a low orbit around the Earth and must be able to indicate, for example, where a car is located to the nearest centimeter. That's like precision. Centimeters? That's insane. Cars and other systems can also communicate with those satellites. And according to Geely, these two aspects ensure that the network can help cars with self-driving functions. Honestly, I never thought about satellites having any involvement with self-driving cars. I always thought it was just sensors and stuff. That's crazy. And you guys know Elon Musk has a satellite company, is that right?
Yeah.
Damn, that's
Starlink.
crazy. Starlink, yes sir. And they actually just partnered up with T-Mobile, or T-Mobile partnered up with SpaceX. So how do you think Elon will use satellites for their self-driving and stuff, or no?
Yeah, maybe
Because he doesn't believe in LiDAR. I don't know if you've read that, but he doesn't believe in sensors and stuff for LiDAR. He says that it's
yeah,
pointless.
maybe he's doing that behind the scenes stuff.
You gotta tell me where you found this DD, because I didn't see this. And I was covering Polestar back in June, so for you to get this one, you got some good sources. You got the plugs. That's all I'm gonna say. So the
Yo.
company has several ground stations in China for the Geely constellation. My bad. Initially, the network will only work in Asia Pacific, but after 2026, the network will be able to use worldwide. Geely owns or has an interest in several car brands that sells cars in Europe. So this is our Polestar. This is, yeah, Polestar, Lotus. Yep, this is it. Volvo. They have a lifespan of 5 years, after which they burn up completely in atmosphere. They are launched with the Long March 2 rockets. Interesting. I think I skipped a paragraph, but I don't think we need this part. That's crazy. This is crazy. Good job, Trippy. This one's good. All right, so
Yep.
we talked a little bit about, let's see what we got on the list so far. If you guys have tickers to cover, let me know. We got Meta, Netflix, UNG, and Polestar. Polestar, very solid. Let's make sure it's solid company. Solid company, not day trade. I mean, you could, but I probably wouldn't. Let me take a look at some of the other options flow. Maybe we get some ideas for place. Oh, Tesla. Are you interested in Tesla? Tesla, Uber.
Sure.
How you feeling about Tesla today? Do we have a big green day today? 304. Okay, so this is where the tinfoil comes into play. Let me clear all this out. On the daily, let's go to the weekly. This is something I've kind of pointed out for a while. We've got possibly like another head and shoulders pattern. Now that's kind of weird, but there's the shoulder, there's the head, possibly another shoulder if we get rejected here at 305, 300. I mean 305, like around here. Let's zoom into those lower time frames, shall we? And we're gonna go to the MACD, just get an idea. Or actually, should we do the this is the 1 hour. I'm gonna actually add the volume profile for us too. Whoa. Okay, so yeah, we're actually near. If we break out of like 315, not even like 310, we have a nice gap up to 330. So let's just go ahead and plug that up. It's like right here. That's our big next resistance there. Right now, we're just like struggling to get past 310. So if we get rejected here, I mean, we got some good support, but in the bigger picture, I'm seeing a head and shoulders. Yeah, 305 is like a support or a resistance, I'm sorry. Right now, we're like fighting through this. Not really much going on with Tesla. I was gonna say Polestar again. I say if we can break out of like this level here, then yeah, we're gonna get some nice momentum going into Tesla. Some people actually gave Tesla a price target of 360. So that's actually a little further out, but it's definitely on the way there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What I like about Tesla though, it's got its nice support that we build on it. So we have, I think it's like right here. It's been bouncing off here. Basically what the SPY is doing. And actually, I guess I could put this here too. So this is where we're at right now. If we can break out, I mean, yeah, things are gonna get interesting for sure. There's really no price movement. You can see because there's no volume here, and you can see that here, like there's not much resistance there. So Tesla can start moving soon. We do have these recent highs, but I think those can be broken. I think tomorrow might be a big day for Tesla too. It's got a nice support going for it. Yeah, looks good, and it looks like kind of like SPY too, right? A little bit. It's got the support.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of looks like SPY. Yep. So SPY is fighting right now too. So Tesla, how are we looking? Tesla's options are hard to read, let's be real, but we're gonna try it anyway. You got any Tesla DD, Trippy, or nah?
Yeah, I do actually.
What happened? Tell us about it.
Yeah, for sure. I'll let you know.
All right. Oh, I thought it was just like something off the head, off the dome.
Come on, bro. Check the
The trippy shit?
check. Yeah.
Let's go. Okay. Is this Tesla's shit? Oh, I gotta. Should I put the video audio?
Creating
not
a
yet.
brand new.
That's it right here? The new
The other
World
one.
Reserve. Oh shit. Wrong one. My bad, people. We're getting tinfoil hat DD. Ford CEO out to convince dealers to offer Tesla-like selling cost. What? Like other
Wow,
legacy car
interesting.
makers, Ford cannot compete with the direct-to-sales model, so it's trying to find ways to make its EVs cheaper. Is that right? Well, they do
Yeah,
have the
I'm
market
sending
for
more
the.
DD too.
They do have the market for the electric truck right now, right? There's not another electric truck out there right now, is there?
The Tesla truck?
That one's not out yet.
Oh yeah, then I believe you're right then.
Yeah, so they're trying to get their stuff priced down by doing a 2,000 discount and reduce the cost of delivering their EVs. Oh, okay. Jim Ford
Sending the
CEO.
DD, brother.
Thank you, brother. The new agency notes Tesla's success at EVs without franchises, putting pressure on legacy automakers to overhaul their retail networks. Yeah, so when you do like a car, when you buy a car from a dealership, they have to uplist it just a little bit, so you know the salesman can get his cut, the dealer can get his cut, or the dealership can get his cut, and then they still gotta make, you know, then the manufacturer has to make their profit. But for like models like Tesla and like Polestar and Lucid, you know, direct to consumer, they don't have that middleman. They don't have the dealership. They do have spaces, right, where they can sell their vehicles, but those salesmen, they don't make commission or anything. So that's where Ford is struggling, right? Because Ford has to pay so many other more people. They gotta feed so many other people. They got mouths to feed. So they're gonna try to get some prices down by reducing the delivery costs. To cut 2,000 a vehicle out of selling and distribution costs to be competitive with Tesla and startups directly to consumer. Yeah, without the franchises dealerships, yeah. About a third of those savings, 600 to 700, would be coming from a low inventory model where customers order a vehicle and Ford ships it to the customer. That would avoid stocking vehicles on dealer lots for weeks and months. Right. So dealerships also charge Ford or whoever for, you know, to hold their cars there. Yeah, so that's why usually dealerships try to get rid of their cars fast, because they don't have to pay for all these other fees. Interesting. That's pretty good. But this is more on Ford, not really Tesla. Let me see what else Trippy's got on Tesla real quick. Ooh, this one's juicy. Where are you finding all this juicy DD, brother? Tesla reveals new Giga Berlin rail logistics concept that significantly reduces CO2 emissions. Don't really know what that means for us. It's just more of a cleaner environment. I was looking at this one though. I really like this one right here that you sent. This one is about the battery, and I talked a little bit about batteries last time. Tesla executive says, "Oh, your boy's out of the free trials." Okay, I can still fix that though. I can fix that.
You could
Screenshot it.
if you load it on a private tab, then it would open.
Oh, private tab? Oh. Well, look here, I screenshotted it for us. Tesla executives say his battery supply has improved so much that the company can buy all the cells it needs for the first time in years. What's
Bullish.
up, Big Kahuna? What's going on, brother? Welcome to the chat. For everybody tuning in just now, if you guys have any tickers to cover, let me know in the chat. We'll get those added to the list. We just covered Polestar, very good one. We talked a little bit about natural gas, Netflix, and Meta, but we do have more time to cover other tickers, so let me know. Right now we're talking about Tesla. This one was kind of like my pick. Just talking about it right now. Oh, you know which one's interesting? Lucid. Should we talk about Lucid? I'm not a big fan of Lucid, but they did have some big news today. I think they were up almost 10%.
Yeah.
Shall we take a look at it? You want to look up the DD for Lucid? See what's going on with Lucid?
Oh, I'm about to post it right now. Actually, I know I have a ton of
Okay.
Lucid DD. Actually,
Let's go.
if anyone wants to read this DD for the EV sector, you can join the Discord server.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We should make an EV Discord channel. EV just dedicated to EV. Or are you going to put it on the trippy shit? Because the trippy shit's more like conspiracy DD, you know? It's more like tinfoil hat. And if you guys don't mind, just take a second, hit the like button for us. We're in here just chilling. You got any song requests? We're just vibing right now. This is a good one. Feel Real by Trippy. What are we talking about with Lucid? Oh, should I pull out the DD or you got the DD, brother?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I think what happened with Lucid was they got a price rating upgrade. Let me double check though. They got a price rating of like $19 or $20. Here it is. Here it is. Tesla or Lucid stock gets a new buy rating. Its batteries are beating Tesla's. That is the one thing I will say I like about Lucid. Their numbers might not be the best, but their battery, their technology, they put a lot of effort, a lot of resources, R&D. They've really invested money into their their battery technology, outperforming Tesla's, right? So I think they're like 500 range, which is insane. So that's one thing I do like about them. You know, I try to troll on Lucid a lot, but that's one thing I won't deny. I will say though, once we get a more bigger infrastructure where there's more chargers available, there's like faster charging times. Like you guys know, Pulsar, they're teaming up with StoreDot, I believe, to get, you know, charging time down to like 5 minutes, maybe 20, maybe 10 minutes. Because it's like 90 miles per 5 minutes. So like, you know, you could do a lot with 200 miles, right? So in 10 minutes, once you get your charging times down, once you get more infrastructure, I don't know how big of an impact your technology or your range will be. You know, you can do a lot with, you know, 300-mile range. You don't really need 500 unless you're going on a you know, a long trip. But right now, the battery range is very big for for like electric vehicles. So that's basically what came out today for Lucid. The people that gave them the buy rating, was it Lafferty? It looks like rallies after RL. Lafferty issues a bull call. And I think they gave him, wasn't it a price target of 19? Let me check. I thought it was 19, but it might be higher. 32,000 units. Yeah, price target of 19. It kind of times out on me because I don't have that. I don't have the free, I only have the free shit. Big Kahuna says Lucid is bogus. Yes, I like Polestar a lot more, honestly. I like, my favorite ones are Polestar. I like Tesla, it's just like so expensive. And then I like Ford and I like Rivian. I've been liking Rivian a lot more, honestly. After they've just did their last revenue numbers, they weren't the best, but they didn't cut their guidance. That's the thing. So when they didn't cut their guidance, you know, then I'm like more of a believer. And we just talked about Rivian too. So we've charted this up last week. We were consolidating here, broke out. I still think it has room to go to 40. I said that last stream. Yeah, technicals are still strong there. I like this. This is like an upward channel right now. You can see channel there. So I'm thinking we retouch, you know, at least 40, maybe 43, 44. Because that is where the next big resistance is going to be. Or this is 42, but yeah, I would look. I will definitely look for 40 here. Big Kahuna says the wording for 19 price target is just, you know, wording. Once the 8 billion market dilution. Yeah. Yes, I agree. Yeah, and that's very true. Like the price targets on a lot of stocks, they don't really necessarily mean they're gonna get there like tomorrow or overnight, or it doesn't even necessarily mean that they're gonna get there at all. It's just a way for people to kind of pump the stock. You feel me? You feel me?
Yeah.
This is actually gonna be looking a lot cleaner like that. Actually, let me just slide that up in there. Like for example, I think Neo just got a price target too. This one had a huge day, and this is bullish too now. It was in a downtrend, and I think it's gonna have a small pullback, maybe down to 20, and then I would most likely get calls here, and then keep riding this back up if it gets a break.
Sounds good.
What do you think? What's your favorite stock, Trippy? I've been talking too much. You give me your topics. Your
I
top.
like silver.
I meant EVs though.
For
Your
EVs, of course.
electric vehicle.
Mullen.
Wait, you like Mullen too? Alright, go
Yeah.
ahead. Give us your bullish thesis on Mullen.
Alright, Mullen is going to squeeze, guys.
Wait, Big Kahuna said Mullen bought Bollinger. Is that right? You're lying. Dude,
Yeah.
Bollinger's is dope. Bollinger
Mullen is
is
about to
nice.
squeeze, bro.
Wow. Is that... Wait, hold up, hold up. I like Bollinger. They have like those like old style trucks that they're working on. I didn't know anything about this. Very good pointing out here. Mulligan, I said Mulligan, Mullinger. I combined Mullen and Bollinger, and it's called Mullenborg. Mullen Bucket. Just never mind. Fully funded and closed on his majority acquisition of Bollinger Motors. That's insane. Is this?
But the stock price doesn't move though.
Oh wait, this is not Bollinger, the one that I thought. Is this Bollinger? What?
Bollinger? Yes, Bollinger.
Are you sure? Let me double click
Yes,
here.
Bollinger Motors.
Let me make sure. You guys are lying to me. Are you sure? Where's the truck?
Oh, yeah,
Where's
very sure.
this is a different Bollinger? Oh wait, no, it's not. It's the same
Bollinger
one.
has a
Yeah.
contract with F500 Con Edison, potential contract with Wabash. Stock price does not move though.
It's probably because of the dilution. Let me look. Bollinger truck. Bollinger SUV, maybe? I gotta find this. This one right here. Is this Bollinger? Is this the same Bollinger we're talking about? Bollinger Motors. Wow. You guys are crazy for this one. I think these SUV pickups are dope. Like old school stuff.
Bollinger already has a lot of government ties. Billions will be dumped into the EV, especially for commercial and government use. So this
Wait.
is a positive act with Bollinger and Mullen, in my opinion.
Yeah? Where are you reading that? Can you post that, DD? I want to share it with the people. By the way, if you hear the lawnmower in the back, I got the lawn. I was gonna say weed man. I know I got the yard man here, cutting the yard. What's up though? Show me the DD on that. Wait, where were you reading those government contracts? Mullen, I gotta look at the price now. Big Kahuna's interested in Mullen now too. I'm actually interested in Mullen too. I would say the problem with them is their dilution. 478.
Hi, Sunset.
Sent it? Okay, bet. Oh, it's a picture. Let me just type it up. Maybe I can find it. That's crazy though. Now, are these SUVs out already?
Whenever you want.
Are they
Oh
out? Are they
yeah, oh
delivered?
yeah.
Bollinger SUV deliveries. Delivery date. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Following the merger in 2020, Mulligan pivoted its strategy once again and began focusing on its ground-up EV called the F5. The 5. Majority stake in Bollinger will revive B1 and B2.
You like that, DD?
I like this DD a lot. Bollinger Motors is an American EV startup founded in 2015, created rugged full-size vehicles. Although it was really originally found in New York, company founder Bollinger decided to move the company to Michigan, debuted the first model Bollinger B1 SUV. It was soon followed by a pickup version, which was upgraded to production intent. Models unveiled in 2020. Taking reservations will begin in 2021.
Yes, sir. You know.
Following nearly 50,000 reservations combined, surprised these exciting customers with news this past January. It will be pivoting its business to focus on electric commercial platforms. Wait, what? As a result, B1 in development was halted indefinitely. Oh no. And the startup said it would be refunding. Oh no. I don't know, man. I don't know. That sounds like a failed project.
Nope. Because you haven't seen the DD I sent you yet.
Let me see. Alright, did this one? Mullen adds Fortune 500 clients in Mullen acquisition?
Next one.
Oh, my bad. Next one. Alright. Bollinger attended Government Fleet Expo. Bollinger developed water truck for government and FEMA emergencies. Conducts testing for Bollinger and homologation. Kelly Blue Book officially reviews the Bollinger vehicles, gets a full charge in 70 minutes. Oh, these are the trucks, though. This is a different sector.
That's
This
the
is
technology Mullen will have too, no?
I thought they just said it took a stake. Did they merge? Did they buy them out? Or did they just pull up their, I don't know.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, my man's high. Come on, Trippy, stop smoking so much. So my question is, did they acquire Bollinger, or did they just take a stake in them, or did they do a partnership? What happened here? Big
Good
Kahuna
things
says,
shall happen.
"Shall happen." I just want to know. I think they're pivoting. It looks like they're pivoting to trucks. So is Mullen pivoting over to like trucks? And when I say trucks, I'm talking about like semi trucks, like Nikola trucks, Tesla semi trucks. Is that what they're pivoting to? I thought Mullen for a second. Oh yeah. Well, I thought Mullen was like working on an SUV. Let me read this comment from Big Kakuna. I'm waiting for the Mullen earnings before I get in. It should go down to 40 cents. Yeah, okay. So he's expecting the dump. Earnings should not be good, hence the price should go down. The solid state battery, once they perfect this, would be dope, better than other batteries. Oh, is that true? So they have a battery. Okay, okay. I see you, Big Kahuna. So this is definitely more intriguing now. At first, I thought it was just a meme stock, but if they bought Bollinger, I think they've got potential. I just didn't know they halted production on this. This is the thing. Mullen and Bollinger to announce acquisition later today. Mullen Automotive shared news. Fresh acquisition of controlling interest in Bollinger's. Okay, so following 148 million purchase in cash and stock, owns now 60% in majority stake. Oh, they own 60%. There we go. There we go. Okay.
Juicy.
That's crazy though. If they follow, they did 148 million, which is 60%. right? So that's 60%. So what's 100%? Let me do some quick math real quick. So 60% is 148. So what is 100%? So you would do 148 times 100 divided by 60. So 246 million. It's worth, the whole company's worth technically about 250 million. That's pretty cheap. That's good and bad. Either they're not really overvaluing themselves, which is good, or they don't have enough leverage to be worth that much. They don't have enough development stuff to be worth that much. You know what I'm saying? If a company's worth like overvalues or overprices themselves, it's because they have some leverage, they have some technology, they have something that's making them worth more for future growth. But if they're only valuing themselves at like 250 million, that means this company is like super small or something. That's just my opinion though. Right? So like this company, the not Mullen, but the entire Bollinger is like worth 250 million from what I'm thinking. What is their market cap here? Their market cap is like 300 million. Yeah. So either they're like super undervalued or they don't have enough to, you know, give themselves that worth. So like for example, 250 million versus 34 billion. You see how the difference is between Rivian and Mullen or Bollinger?
Yes, I see it.
You see it? So what is it? Do they not have enough technology or are they undervalued, you think?
They just they just need more time.
They need more time. So I think Kahuna's saying it comes down to 40, Mullen. I think it could come down to 40 cents. We just turned this whole live stream into an EV section.
Yeah,
It's
good
interesting.
DD, folks.
It's good DD, fellas. Good DD. It is near the bottom though. That's crazy. Near 50 cents. Yeah, that's crazy.
When's the freestyle?
You want a freestyle? You got a beat? We gotta have a beat. We gotta have a copyright free freestyle. If you can find one.
Let's ask the chat. Chat freestyle or what?
Yeah, let's ask the chat. Do you guys want a freestyle?
I got more Tesla DD coming in if you want.
Bet. Drop it down below. Hey, we got a not safe for work channel now too. Best believe we be hanging out in there sometimes. What do you think, Trippy?
I'll be there tonight.
Yes, sir. Where is homegirl Francine? Francine just straight up left. She was talking about Mullen 14 calls. What the fuck?
Ah, maybe she knows something we don't know.
Maybe she always knows something. That's why you gotta be in the Discord, am I right, Trippy?
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. She never posts on the Discord for some reason. Sometimes we mad at her right now. She'd be disappearing sometimes. Flow history. She's looking at October 14 calls. These right here, they have hella volume. 2400 volume, 50 cents. These have a lot of interest. The $1. Wow, that's crazy. Everything else looks weak. I think the 14s are interesting, to be honest. 5 cents at the $1. Let me look at these. When did these pick up? These picked up just a few. These just picked up today, actually.
Alright, that DD is sent.
The 20. These are nice. Look at these. These $1.50, 27,000 open interest.
Oh, Francine.
What's up?
What's up?
Is she here?
Francine is clutch.
Yeah, she was talking about she was working on her body or something for some reason. Is that what she said? She was like trying to lose weight or something. I can't remember. Tesla considers.
I sent check the chirpy shit.
I just got it, my brother. Considers new lithium refinery for EVs batteries in the U.S. Tesla. What does this tell you, Trippy? I want you to break the DD for us now.
So guys, the proposed lithium refinery plant is planned to start commercial production by the end of 2024. And the post considers Tesla. The post Tesla considers new. So basically, Tesla is finding more cleaner, better options for their batteries, and this is bullish.
Yep. Good DD there.
Thanks.
Subject to approval though. They're gonna
Check the next one.
they're gonna start the construction in 20 by the end of 2024. Or wait, I'm sorry. To start
Ooh,
construction
like this one.
this next quarter, finish it by 2024. DAF delivers first. Refuse. DAF delivers first LV electric truck to logistics firm Naburos. Who is DAF Trucks?
Another company, you know.
Are they good?
Yeah. Hold on, B Ray is messaging me right now
Where? Personal DM?
on the server.
Which server? Oh, this other server?
Yeah.
And which one?
I don't promote other discords on this live.
Yeah. Oh, you in that one now? Yeah, he's trying to roast you, my brother. He's trying to roast you. I think he's nervous, man, because he knows we back you up if you're in the if he commented like that in our Discord. Am I right? What do you think?
Yes, sir.
He's nervous. He's nervous. Ask him how he traded today
He said
on the paper
he
on the
was
paper
red
account.
for it today.
Damn, on the paper account. So, do y'all want to do a quick moment of silence for 9/11? You think we should do one more for the people that just joined? You want to take over, Trippy?
Guys, 21 years ago, our country was attacked by its own government. Why is that? Well, the United States needed an excuse to go to the Middle East and gather oil. The United States has been working with, or not the US to put all of the whole nation into blast, but sectors in the US like the CIA. You know, and if I'm being more specific, the CIA doesn't really isn't really part of the US. They're like their own mafia basically. But they trained people and shit. You know, let's do this moment of silence and then we do the freestyle, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
I can't get too heavy duty on the channel.
Yeah, let's do a moment of silence. All right. Thank you guys for that moment of silence to remember the victims of 9/11 attacks. And you doing
Thank you.
what were you gonna do? A charity or
Freestyle?
something? No, you're gonna do some charity or something.
Yeah, guys, if you guys want to donate to New Guinea, they were just impacted by an earthquake, 7.7 magnitude. The earth literally uh like was cracked in half over there. And people need assistance, aid, food, water, shelter, and our US dollars. So if you guys can please donate, then they will appreciate that.
Yep. Here's a video of what
How
we
much are
saw
you
today.
donating?
I'm gonna take all my winnings for tomorrow, and however much I win, we're gonna send that over there. What do you think?
Good guy, good guy.
Oh, this is the wrong DD. I was. Are you still watching the stream, brother?
No, I'm just laughing at my comment I made on Greg's server. I mean on B Reyes Discord.
What'd you say?
You gotta read it to laugh.
You're watching AMC?
Yeah.
Damn. Francine
Anyway,
asked,
guys, who's ready for the freestyle?
we gotta do the, we gotta find the free copyright free beat. Let me find one real quick. Did you say you had a link for the charity or whatever to donate?
Oh yeah, yeah. Do you need that?
We should
I'll
have got
post
plugged
it up
in.
in the trippy shit.
All right, thank you. We need a copyright free beat. I'm gonna do the one from last time.
No, bro. No, no, no.
You haven't heard this one. I'm just gonna hit you off the dome with this one.
Oh, okay. I like that.
All right, I need a good background though. What should we do as the background? We need a good stock ticker. Oh wait, hold up. We have a comment from Big Kahuna. I know this is not EV. Could you check the mob stock flow? This is intriguing. I could see this getting pumped. This is a drone stock. Ooh. Is the ticker MOB?
You're chilling.
He's chilling. Mobilecon. This one might not have options. It looks like it just got listed. We'll peep it. We'll peep it. We'll do a quick peep. If you guys want to check out the flow and stuff, definitely use the link down below or in my comments. You get 5%. Am I right, Trippy? Save. If you're gonna use unusual wells, you can sign up for free.
5%.
You can sign up for free, or you can sign up for free using my link. In case you do upgrade, you get 5% off. Let's look at the flow from the home here real quick. I don't think this one has options. Does it have options? Let me click. Is the ticker MOB?
Yeah.
It doesn't have any options, I don't think. Let me do something else real quick. MOB, if that's a ticker. MOB, he said MOB. I don't think this one has options yet. My brother, let me look. Oh, it does have options. It just doesn't have any volume. Look at the options chain. Oh, it doesn't have options. No, it doesn't have options. It doesn't have
does
options.
have options.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't even have options on Webull.
Does not have options.
Does not have options, brother.
It's a buy and hodl stock.
Yeah, this is the buy and hodl operation on this one. I don't know any DD on this one though, my brother. End-to-end provider of cybersecurity and smartphones. He said, "My bad. It's all good, brother. We all learning in here." So should we do the live stream and wrap it up? Cause I gotta watch this game, brother. We're kind
The
of
freestyle?
Yeah, we're gonna do the freestyle.
Alright, let's do it for B Reyes.
For B Ray is clown ass. No, let me. Is he in here or what? You gonna shout him out? Shout him out in the freestyle, brother.
Right,
by the way, today we covered Meta, Netflix, UNG, big bullish on UNG. You guys saw the DD. Tesla and Lucid, we covered those, and then Polestar, bullish on Polestar. What else did we cover?
Mullen.
Oh yeah, Mulligan was a big one.
Guinea 911.
Yes, sir. Yeah, pay your respects to the TA. So tomorrow, big data tomorrow, guys. Just a quick recap. Forecast 6.1% core CPI. Month over month, we don't really care month over month. I mean, yeah, you do.
CPI's tomorrow?
Yeah, it's tomorrow. And then year over year, this is what we're looking at. 3-star importance here. 8.5 is the expected. Previous 8.5 were expected to come down in CPI. But core, this is excluding energy and food. It's looking like it's still going to go up. So that would be bad. because then that's telling us that there's other indications of inflation outside of food and energy. So the media could be lying to you, saying that the inflation is coming down because they're suppressing the gas prices right now. Right? So people are still paying out of pocket on a lot of stuff. So with that being said, good luck tomorrow. Let me know how you guys are doing that. Let's jump into the freestyle. I got me a nice little beat for him. If you guys can hit the like button as well, appreciate that a lot. Yes, sir. And we'll hit the subscribe and the like button. So
I'm gonna
you
close
guys
my eyes for this one.
bet. Yeah. If you guys enjoy the freestyle, hit the like button, subscribe to the channels for more videos like these. And what else? What we got? Shout out to Big Kahuna and Jonah for showing up. And
Shout out Francine. Shout out B Reyes. Shout out
yeah,
Big Cahoon.
big
Shout out
yeah.
GGG Investor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let me drop this beat. I gotta switch the audio. I gotta close my boy. All right, now you gotta switch your meeting. The meeting. Sorry, we gotta switch you from Google Meetings to Discord. So just end the call there, and then go active. Then you gotta come active on here. Sorry,
Ready?
we're working. We're ready. We're ready. All right, guys, let's get the freestyle going, shall we?
Went above and beyond for this live stream because we had to use
Huh?
Google Meet for.
Wait, what? What'd you say?
Let's go.
Say
Let's
it.
go.
We really went out of our way with this live stream. We had to switch from Google to Trippy's Discord. But anyway, let's hit it off with the freestyle. I might find me a verse.
Hey,
Wait, is that it? I've never heard this beat though, so.
hey,
Uh-huh.
yeah. Hey, hey, hey. I remember jumping in my brother's hallway. I remember serving to the cool kids too. Now I'm up here booming on my own now. Yeah, I'm in Florida from the rack though. I still throw NLB 150 all day, every day. If you come my way, I spray. I don't care. I don't give a fuck about you. Hey, hey, hold up. Last week, let me tell you something. I'll figure what you want with me. I popped in with you. Hey, then I looked at my phone. I saw Spy. OMG, yeah. I made like $200 off this easy shit. Yeah, can you see? Using unusual whales. Using unusual whales. Even though I'm not big, I'm still gonna make it big. Feel like Rick Ross, cause my pockets get so fat each and every day. Yeah, feel like I'm Kodak. I don't need no pill, but I throw that. I don't need no bitch, but she throw that. I remember being broken, now look where I'm at. Yeah, me, I'm booming way, G, yeah. Francine, shout out to you with the Mulligan calls. Shout out B Reyes with the trading bill. Wait, trading calls. Hey, yeah, can't you see? Next year I'ma live in the condo. Next year I'ma have like 3 biddies walking next to me, yeah. And I got the Chanel bag. 5K didn't leave a stack in my stack. Didn't leave a dent in my stack of man. Hey, let me tell you something. All this is brand new. Not really, because I imagined this like 2-3 years ago.
Damn. Cut it. That was fire. Y'all hit the like button for Trippy. I was in the back doing the beat, in the kitchen. What you guys think? That shit was fire, bro. That was good. What you guys think? I thought he was done, and then he came back with another verse. God. Yo, that's gonna be a wrap for us. That's gonna be our wrap. We gotta head out with that one. Hey, anything you gotta say to Trippy? Anything to the people? Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Can we end it off with the other video you were playing earlier, but I said not yet?
Which one's that?
the new world reserve currency.
I got you, my brother. Americans remember. Oh, wrong one. Let me pull it up real quick. I got you, brother. We're gonna end the video with some tinfoil hat DD for those who stayed till the end. This is for the AMC hodlers. Is this it? AMC hodlers? Now I gotta do fire as fuck. Yes sir, yes sir. Hit the like button,
None of the
everybody.
mainstream media are talking about this. Have you heard about China, Russia, along with BRICS, are creating a brand new world reserve currency? So what does this mean for the dollar? The USA is over $30 trillion in debt, and the dollar has lost over 96% of its purchasing power since the 1800s. This means that $1 today would be worth only 4 cents back in 1913. Crazy. President Nixon's decision to decouple from backing of gold in 1971 meant that the dollar could just get out their money printer and print as much money as they want without having a backing, which is why we are in this situation today. Russia and China, meanwhile, were doing the complete opposite. They have been stacking gold for the last 30 years in anticipation for this moment. They can now create their own new world reserve currency and have it be backed by gold. This is huge. This simply means that if you've got one currency backed by debt and another currency backed by gold, the one that's going to be backed by gold is always going to have higher purchasing power and a higher value. So what do you guys think? Do you think the dollar's going to lose its spot as the world reserve currency? Let me know in the comments.
All right. Do you want to take questions, Trippy, or save that for the next episode? We're probably going to get demonetized, copyrighted. Fuck it. We're going to keep the video up. What do you want to say, Trippy?
Stack gold, stack silver.
Make paper. All right. I'm signing out, guys. Shout out to Win Lambo, Big Kahuna, and Jonah for tuning in.
Shout out Win Lambo.
Win Lambo, big shout out Win Lambo. We know you. You in the Discord, shout out. All right, you guys stay safe. We're gonna see you guys in the next video. Comment down below your thoughts, and if you have any tickers to comment, we'll take care of those in the next video. We're signing out. Peace. Yo, that